Good evening, everyone. Again, my name is Prachi Jetli, and me, along with Amitabh Mittalji, we are so honored to be your host for this evening. Kindly take your seats and let's get started with the evening. It's an honor to be here at today's celebration where we recognize the extraordinary contribution of the Indian diaspora in United States. On behalf of the US India Community Foundation, I welcome you all and thank each and every one of you for your time today to make this event so beautiful and successful, especially our special guest, Shri Purushottam Rupalaji, and other community leaders as well. And I see our Consul General, Mr. Somnath Ghosh. Sir, welcome. Thank you very much for joining.
US India Community Foundation, which is a concept idea from the mind of Dr. Bharat Barai, and that we do need to have interaction, a clean interaction that with the political environment both here and in Bharat to have a good relationship. So we're working silently for betterment, better relationship between the two countries, better growth, better prosperity for all Indian diaspora. Thank you so much for your time.
As I mentioned, we have our very special guest, along with the chief guest for today. We have our Consul General, Mr. Somnath Ghosh, with us right now.
The topic I've been asked to speak on by the US Indian Community Foundation, who very kindly organized today's event, is the role of diaspora in the India-US partnership, friendship. Now all of you are part of this diaspora, and possibly because of media, social media, various government and private communications, you know that today the number of diaspora has crossed 35 million all over the world.
ABVP. His background in grassroots organizing community leadership continues to shape his mission to fostering collaboration and advocacy for US-India community. Please give a huge round of applause to Nirav Patel.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. તમારો બધાનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર કે લોક ઘણી શોર્ટ વિઝિટમાં તમે બધા આવ્યા, શોર્ટ નોટિસમાં આવ્યા. લગભગ અઠવાડિયા 10 દિવસ પહેલાં જ વાત થઈ અને પ્રોગ્રામ ક્યાં કરવો એ નક્કી નહોતું થઈ રહ્યું. આખરે સારું વેન્યુ મળ્યું અને પ્રોગ્રામ થયો. સાહેબ આજે જે પણ લોકો આવ્યા છે અહીંયા એ બધા જ કોઈકની કોઈક એક લીડરશિપ ગ્રુપને રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરે છે. એટલે અહીંયા આ હોલમાં લગભગ બધા જ લીડર બેઠા છે. એટલે એક એક નામ લઈ અને એક એક ગ્રુપનું નામ લઈ અને કોઈકનું ધન્યવાદ કરવો એ ખૂબ અઘરું કામ છે. અને હું વચ્ચે મિડલમાં મેં મારો ધન્યવાદ રાખી દીધો બધાને. આભાર એટલા માટે કે સાહેબ તમે બોલશો પછી કોઈ મને સાંભળવા નહીં ઊભું રહે. એટલે થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ટુ એવરીવન.
I don't want to say the usual thing everybody knows Bharatji, but we all know him very well. He is a tireless warrior. And I can vouch that for 40 years, 4 decades that I've witnessed with him working tirelessly for the Hindu community, Indian community. There's not a moment, there's not a program, there's not an event that Bharatji is not present. He makes time. When someone says, I don't have time, they can look at Bharatji. He would be in Washington, D.C. one morning, and in the evening he'll be having a meeting with you in Chicago. He'll be in Italy, then he finds out our dear friend Rupalaji is coming to Chicago, and being in Italy, he arranges this event that you all can meet him and greet him and hear him. This is Bharatji. I would like to invite Bharatji to come up here and say a few words.
It's my honor and privilege to welcome Shri Purushottam Rupalaji along with our Consul General, Sri Jaideep Bhai Barot, who is the President of BJP from Gandhinagar area, and of course, all my colleagues who are sitting here. I had the privilege of working with you all, and it is the Chicago team that has delivered many things, whether it is in Chicago or in Washington, D.C. or New York, both in 2014 and in 2023 in Washington, D.C., and again in 2024 in Long Island, New York. So I do want to express my gratitude to you all. We have worked as a team, and it's our team that made it possible. It happens to be 75th birthday of a very popular Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Actually in Bharat it's already 17th. So we are celebrating his birthday on the same day. And Sri Purushottam Rupala ji was coming to USA for some function in Washington, D.C. And with help from Jaideep Bhai Barot, we were able to fix a program in Chicago and try to celebrate Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday. So thank you, Jaideep Bhai, coordinating it. And thank you, Rupala ji, for coming for a single day. He came first here today morning. He'll be flying to Washington, D.C. tomorrow. So we are grateful to you for coming here, because out of many people who know Narendra Modi ji, he is one of them. He started his career in Amreli area. He was a principal in a high school, and then he joined public service, and he has held many positions. He was 3-time members of Gujarat Vidhan Sabha and minister. He was a member of Rajya Sabha, I think around 2008-2009, and again in 2016 for about 6 years. And last year, he won the Rajkot Lok Sabha seat with a thumping majority for BJP. He was also Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying in the Government of India, and he has worked very closely with Narendra Bhai Modi. He is a terrific speaker in Gujarati. I apologize to those who don't understand Gujarati. Maybe you should learn a little bit, as I told Prachi. So I will request Sri Rupala ji to come and address us, share with us his wisdom, his pulse of working with Prime Minister Modi ji.
इंडो-यूएस कम्युनिटी का मैं आभारी हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी मोदी साहब के 75वें जन्मदिन की अमेरिका में जो उसको उत्सव में मनाने का प्रयास किया, उसका साक्षी बनने का मुझे भी अवसर दिया। इसके लिए मैं उनका तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मैं गुजरात के हमारे सभी बंधुओं की ओर से भाई श्री भरत भाई बाराई, भाई श्री हरि भाई, छोटू भाई और यहाँ के इनके सभी साथियों को तहे दिल से बधाई देता हूँ, धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि हमारे सम्माननीय, आदरणीय, लोकप्रिय, विश्वप्रिय नेता का जन्मदिन शिकागो में मनाने का आप सब लोगों ने आयोजन किया। इसके लिए कौंसल जनरल सोमनाथ जी को भी बधाई देता हूँ कि भारत सरकार की ओर से इस कम्युनिटी के इस अच्छे अवसर पर आप उपस्थित भी रहे, अपनी शुभकामनाएं दी और बहुत ही ज़रूरी जानकारी आप सबके साथ शेयर किया। इसके लिए आपका भी तहे दिल से मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ। मेरा युवा साथीदार है जयदीप, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का गुजरात में अच्छा कार्यकर्ता है। उसने ये बहुत ही सुंदर योग बना दिया, इसलिए मैं यहाँ उपस्थित रह पाया हूँ। इसके लिए उनका भी साधुवाद करता हूँ। मेरे आने जाने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही थी, मैं फ्रीक्वेंट फ्लायर नहीं हूँ, कभी कभी मेरा आना होता है। सो मनहर भाई काकड़िया सूरत के मेरे अजीज दोस्त हैं, उन्होंने ये मेरे को सरल कर दिया और वो मुझे लेकर इधर आए, ऐसा कहूँ तो भी गलत नहीं है। इसलिए उनका भी मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। आप सौ मारा वाला भाइयों और बहनों, रण जीतण कंकण बंधण अने पुत्र वधायु साव। रण जीतण कंकण बंधण अने पुत्र वधायु साव। एता टाणा हरखरा एमा कोण रंग कोण राव। आ त्रण एवा प्रसंगो छे एवुं आपणा लोक साहित्यना लोकोए कह्युं छे। रण जीतण, युद्ध में जीती जवाय, ओलम्पिक में जीती जवाय, हमणां आपणे क्रिकेट में जीती गया। तो ये जीतने वधाववी जोईए एवुं आपणा साहित्यकारोनुं मानवुं छे। कोईपण प्रकारनी जीत होय तो ये जीतना वधामणा थवा जोईए। कंकण बंधण एक पण सरस मजानो सामाजिक अवसर होय छे, एनी पण वधाई थवी जोईए। अने पुत्र वधायु साव, कुटुंब में दीकरानो जन्म थाय तो एना पण वधामणा थवा जोईए। पण जे पुत्र थकी कुटुंबनी, गामनी के समाजनी आबरूमां वधारो थाय एवा दीकराओना जन्मनी वधामणी करवी जरूरी होय छे। आ उजवणी बीजी कोई रीते करवानी नथी, मात्र सेवा पखवाडिયું उजवવાનું છે। आखा 15 દિવસ सेवा पखवाडिયું करवानुं। ब्लड डोनेशनना कार्यक्रमों थशे, स्वच्छता अभियानना कार्यक्रमों थशे, नानी मोटी कोईपणनी मदद अने सेवा करवा माटे 15 દિવસ मोदी साहेबना जन्मदिन प्रसंगे एनी उजवणी करवी एवो जे पार्टीनो पण जे अभिगम छे एमां पण आपणे सौ साथ आपीने ए अभिगममांथी आपणने जे अनुकूळ आवतो होय एवो अभिगम आपणे लईए अने ए कार्यक्रमोमां आपणे सौ जोडाईए एवी विनंती साथे पुनः भरतभाई साहेब अने एमनी टीमनो हूँ आभारी छूं के आप सौनी वच्चे मने मोदी साहेबनी जन्म जयंतीना प्रसंगे साक्षी थवानो एमणे अवसर आप्यो अने मारा मननी वातो पण आपनी साथे शेर करवानो अवसर आप्यो। आप सौनो खूब खूब आभार। राम राम।
सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा। मेरा वतन है भारत माँ को, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।